Okay, welcome back to another video on Foxtecc, and let's talk about a feature or a topic. A lot of people are searching on how to check Instagram video bio link. So it might have happened to you that you're browsing Instagram or you just checking out the stories of some people and they just mention that you can check out the video link in my bio. So what does that mean? Right? So in case they do mention that you're watching content or whatever, in case they say check out my video in the bio, essentially you have to check out their profile. So you're gonna click on the profile, and in here you have their name, profile picture, a little bit of a description, and then here you have the ability to add one link to your profile. So it's possible that the link is gonna be right there. Just like I have it on my profile, there is a link, only one is available to be put on Instagram, and this is the bio. So essentially, it's a link in the description of a profile, which you can easily just tap. It's not going to get you over to a third-party web browser, as you're only going to stay within the Instagram web browser. So you can always just come back to the profile and use it like this. So essentially, this is how it works. And also, you should pay attention to the fact that since we can only add one link to our bio or our profile, a lot of creators are utilizing the link trees or something along the lines, essentially, where you just have one link and this is going to link you over to all of your other social media platforms. So that way, you have this one link used properly. Whatever it is, they might say that there is a link in my bio, but you can click in here and you don't get directly to the destination you want, but you get to this view and you can get to their TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and other stuff, right? So that's something that a lot of people and a lot of creators utilize. So hopefully you liked this video. If you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think, and I'll see you later on in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then.